Hello everyone, I'm a native Chinese speaker. My name is Lucas Norin, and I'm excited to embark on a learning journey with all of you. Despite my proficiency in Chinese, I'm eager to start from the beginning alongside everyone, overcome challenges together, and achieve success in the HSK test. Welcome to our comprehensive Chinese learning community. Join us for a vibrant learning experience that will elevate your proficiency in Chinese. Our services covers various aspects, including free material sharing, essay corrections, exam explanations, and resolving the challenging questions. If you are interested in learning Chinese, please click on the website and link below the video and join us. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.